Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this Kiara Advani Met Gala inspired makeup look. I found this look to be very pretty, the skin is glowing. It's a very easy, very quick tutorial. It's a very easy makeup look and I love how the skin glows. Alright guys, so let's go ahead with the video. Before starting off the tutorial, I just wanted to talk about the face pack that I've been loving recently. Lately, I have been shooting a lot in front of this full-length glass door to get that perfect light. It makes the footage look amazing guys, but the sun exposure is real. And obviously my skin ends up looking tanned and dull. Especially around my forehead and cheeks, it just builds up over time. So recently I've been using this Mamaearth Upton Detan face pack and I swear it just gives me major throwback to my Nani's Haldi Upton DIYs. You know those Sunday rituals where she would just go to the kitchen and mix up haldi, saffron and we used to slather it on our face. Same vibes but without the mess and prep. It's got turmeric to bring that natural glow back and saffron to help clear up the skin. And today I'm doing a half face demo so that you can actually see it working in real time. One side with the pack and one side without. So let's see the magic. What I love is that it's free from harmful chemicals, super gentle and works well on normal to oily skin. I usually use it 2 to 3 times a week, just 15 minutes and done. Can you see that difference? It's subtle but so real. This side feels fresher, brighter and just clean. And don't forget, if you're stepping out, top it off with the Mamaearth Vitamin C sunscreen. It's SPF 50 and PA++++. Non-sticky and helps protect that glow you just worked for. Also, Mamaearth products are made safe certified so that they're not just good for your skin but better for the planet as well. You can get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app using my code SUSH2025. And if you prefer shopping elsewhere, it's also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and also in stores near you. Honestly, if you've been out in the sun or under harsh lights like me, this pack is a total skin saver. Try it and let me know what you think. Okay guys, now let's get started with the video. So first of all, I'm gonna spray my whole face with this Pixie Rose Glow Mist because this look is all about the skin. Mehak Oberoi did Kiara's makeup and I'm a fan of Mehak. I follow all her posts on Instagram. She is an amazing makeup artist. Now I'm going to mix Smashbox Halo and the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. So actually for this look, Mehak used Smashbox Halo on Kiara and now I'm going to mix both and then apply it on my face. Before that, I forgot I need to color correct my face with this MAC color corrector and I'm going to use this orange shade. I'm just going to use a little bit on the sides of my forehead because I have some pigmentation there and also under my eyes, just a little bit. And I'm just going to blend the color corrector first. But mostly I don't do this because I don't think it's required, but today for this look, since it's all about clear skin and flawless skin, so I am using the color corrector. Now I'm going to apply the rest on the rest of my face. I actually never thought of mixing Smashbox Halo with the Hollywood Flawless Filter, but it is a great combination guys. You can see how glowy my skin looks. Always love a glowy skin and it just blends so well. Look how glowy my skin looks right now. It looks beautiful. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to conceal my under eye area. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. Last time I forgot to mention the shade name. So a lot of you asked what shade is this? This shade is called Praline and I'm going to apply a little bit on my under eye area, just like that. And I'm also going to mix a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape. This one is in the shade Tan Sand. And I am just going to apply it for that highlight. I am going to let it set for some time, maybe like 15-20 seconds, and then I'm going to blend it. I just feel like this way it just gives me a lot more coverage. And now I am going to blend it. I just love blending concealer with my fingertips because no matter how many brushes I try, I don't know, it just doesn't blend so well. And I just apply no pressure at all. I just tap it very, very gently on my skin. And whatever's left on my fingertips, I just apply it on top of my eyelids. Guys, I'm shooting in natural lighting, so any kind of difference in lighting that you feel or see is because of the sun, and it just blends like a dream. It just seems like I never had dark circles. It just got this stunning coverage. Now I'm going to quickly set it with the Huda Beauty loose powder. This is in the shade Banana Bread. I'm going to take the product and press it under my eyes. Keep in mind not to apply too much, otherwise this is gonna look cakey. And I'm also gonna apply it on top of my eyelids. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil. Kiara has bushy eyebrows in this look, but I'm gonna stick to my natural eyebrow and eyebrow shape. I'm not gonna make it look more bushy. I am just going to fill in the gaps like always. Like, I'm not changing the shape of my eyebrows. With the other end of the spoolie, I'm just gonna comb it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Give Me Brow, and I'm just going to set it. So now I'm gonna take the MAC Connect in Color eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use this shade all over my eyelids, and I'm gonna use a light flush of color all over my eyelids. This is actually a salmon peachy shade, and I'm also going to use the same on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this shade on my crease. I'm not trying to make this look very dramatic. Next, I'm going to take this Mamaearth brown kajal. This is in the shade Woody Brown, and I'm just going to line my upper lash line with this. Just remember to go from thin to thick outside. And we are also going to draw a little bit of wing. Now taking this dark brown shade, we are going to apply it on top of the kajal and also on the lower lash line. Just stamp it closest to the inner corners and then slowly bring it out. Just making the inner corner very, very sharp. And then just taking a clean brush, I'm just smudging the eyeshadow that I applied on my lower lash line. Next, taking this Rare Beauty highlighter, and this is in the shade Flaunt. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and then take it on a brush and apply it on top of my eyelids. This looks absolutely stunning. And I'm also going to take some and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. For my mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm going to apply a single coat because I'm going to use false lashes today. After applying this mascara, I do not think I'll need any false lashes. Also apply the mascara on my lower lashes. And after this, I feel like I honestly don't need false lashes. Now I'm going to bronze my face with the Hoola bronzer. And I'm just going to add a little bit of warmth on my face. Just adding a little bit on the sides of my cheeks and my jawline. And I'm going to contour the sides of my nose. For the blush, I'm going to use this pink blush. And just used it high on her cheeks. And for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow Glide highlighter. This is in the shade Champagne Glow. And I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face. So just the cheeks, the nose, my chin. And last but not the least, for the lips, I'm going to use this lip liner from Florence by Mills. And this is in the shade Confident. And for the lips, I'm going to use, this one is a peach lipstick. I'm going to use it on my lips. And I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. And then I am going to use this shade. This is a peach shade. You can use any lipstick which is peach in color. A little bit of salmon, a little bit of peach. But make sure it's a glossy one. And then I'm going to apply it all over my lips. I forgot to apply the highlighter on my brow bone area. I am adding a little bit of gloss. I honestly didn't like how her hair was done. And then her hair is curly. I did not curl my hair. I guess I think she wore an off shoulder, something like this. And then this is my finished look, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you did, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Like this video and share it with your loved ones. And also comment down below which celebrity inspired makeup look you want me to do next. I had fun creating this tutorial. I hope you had fun watching it. If you recreate this, then please do not forget to tag me on social media. My Instagram handle is sushdazzles. I would love to see how you recreate this. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.